Which of the following is the most important issue in emergency? Options: security, inadequate staffing, triage, inadequate supply. The answer is triage. Which of the following is not a natural disaster? Options: nuclear warfare, flood, drought, earthquake. The answer is nuclear warfare. What are the primary objectives of human resource management in hospital service? Options: to motivate the employee, to create good organizational relationship, coordination, contributions of services. The answer is to motivate the employees. What is the initial step to be followed in manpower planning? Options: training, coordination, organization, determining the requirements. The answer is determining the requirements. Which of the following is not a function of human resource management? Options: recruitment, solution, direction, job analysis. The answer is direction. Which of the following members are not in the community health team in human resource management? Options: medical officer, traditional birth assistant, community health nurse, ward boy. The answer is traditional birth assistant. Which of the following is the purpose of job description? Options: job analysis, recruitment, staff development, all of the above. The answer is all of above. Case management is collaborative activity, functional activity, case management, client management. The answer is collaborative activity. Functional nursing is a method of providing equipment care, care of records, case management, patient care. The answer is patient care. Which of the following is not an element of progressive patient care? Options: intensive care, constant care, intermediate care, community care. The answer is community care. Which of the following is not an advantage of primary nursing care? Easy to administer, nursing accountability is increased, able to use wide range of skill, method potentiality, creativity. The answer is easy to administer. Which of the following is one of the important parts of staff development model? Teacher, manager, administrator, accountant. The answer is teacher. Which of the following is one of the socio-economic functions of the staff development program? Options: nursing practices, indirect nursing care, in-service education, manpower planning. The answer is manpower planning. Which of the following include the pay and allowances of staff welfare structure teaching program? Options: merit, seniority, open selection, uniformity of pay scale, job satisfaction. The answer is uniformity of pay scale. Which of the following is not a type of budget? Options: sales budget, action budget, production budget, and master budget. The answer is action budget. What is the purpose of budget? To assist in assessing the financial requirement of an agency, to control the work, to maintain discipline, to prepare rules and regulations of an agency. Answer: to assist in assessing the financial requirement of an agency. What is the limitation of budgetary control? Options: inflexible and rigid, include different level, needs experience, needs communication. The answer: inflexible and rigid. Expansion of PERT, Program End Review Technique, Planning Evaluation Review Technique, Program Evaluation Review and Techniques, none of the above. The answer is Program Evaluation Review and Technique. Explain of CPM is Clinical Program Method, Clinical Program Model, Critical Program Model, Critical Pathway Method. The answer is Critical Pathway Method. Benchmarking methodology was first written and published by McGraw-Hill, Robert Camp, Kaiser Associates and Hills. The answer is Kaiser Associate. What are the three main types of cost in benchmarking? Time cost, place cost and visit cost. Place cost, time cost and database cost. Visit cost, time cost and database cost, none of the above. The answer is visit cost, time cost and database cost. What is Gantt chart? Scheduling process, project based scheduling tool, take the form of a horizontal bar graph, all of the above. The answer is scheduling tool, take the form of a horizontal bar graph. Which of the following is the process by which the manager assigns specific duty? Coordination, communication, delegation, supervision. The answer is delegation. Which of the following is a principle of delegate? Options: select the right person, provide sound financial management, delegate with consultation, give reasonable pressure. Answer is select the right person. Which of the following is not an error in discipline? Options: describe corrective action, delay in administering, failure to document, failure to act within time. The answer is describe corrective action.